Hi everybody, welcome back again. Today I just got a new amplifier. Well, it's a used amplifier, but it's new to me. So I got a new amplifier today in the mail. It's the Alpine MRP M500. It's a 500 watt at 2 ohm amplifier made by Alpine V-Power. I think it's like 300 watts at 4 ohms, 500 watts at 2 ohms. A lot of people discard these end caps. I think they kind of finish off the product. They make it look good. So guys, keep your end caps if you plan on reselling your amplifier. I mean, if you're just going to stick it in your car and forget about it and never sell it again, by all means, throw away your end caps. But I would keep them. I mean, it makes it look... I did take the liberty of unscrewing them. They're very easy to unscrew. They're very, very easy to unscrew. The screws are, I mean, it felt really nice taking them off. Looking at a picture of this, it looks a lot smaller than it actually is. This actually measures across, it's 10.5 inches, and depth-wise, it's 9.5 inches, so it's a lot bigger than visually I thought it was. Even removing the end caps does nothing because it's still, you still have this from here to here. Still have this, so getting rid of the end caps doesn't really do anything but kind of make it look ugly. I have this measuring thing here. I like to measure and see what kind of, so I already took the liberty of opening up the screw here. This is about the size of a 4-gauge wire, same size. So now it fits, technically it fits in the hole, but the screw, because this is so small, is stopping it. So you wouldn't actually be able to fit a wire reducer in here. I don't think you'd be able to fit a 4 to 8 gauge wire reducer in here, just for the simple fact that this terminal is so small. I'm thinking I'm going to have to take my 8 gauge wire and V it off and stick it in like this. That's what I'm going to have to do. And the same thing with the ground wire. I'm going to have to split the ground wire in half and stick it in. The screws feel nice. They feel nice, you know, not hard or anything. They're nice and smooth going in, nice and smooth going out. It's really smooth. Has one single terminal here for your speaker outs. One single terminal. 230 amp fuses. So 230 amp fuses. Let's take off the other end cap and we'll flip her around here. And there we are. So the whole reason I bought this was I want to run my 2 ohm subs. The one I have in my car right now is 1 ohm or 4 ohm. It's a dual 2, so I can put it down to 1 ohm, which that's what I'm wired at right now with the 1000 watt jail audio. It's running at 1 ohm. It runs over 1000 watts. It puts out more than 1000 watts. So I'm going to put this on the, I have a Alpine Type X12 and I have a Scar Audio Evil 12 still. So I'm going to put it on this amp, put it at 2 ohms, get some 500 watts and see what it does. So that'll be my next video that I make, is this amp and the Scar Audio Evil 12. I might do the Type X12. I haven't had a lot of videos of those, but I haven't had a lot of the Evil 12 videos either. And we're going to crank this bad boy up and see what it does. So stay tuned for future videos. And like I said before, guys, I mean, I'm doing this all by myself. I'm buying this with my own money. Nobody's buying this stuff for me. Nobody's sponsoring me in any kind of way. I'm doing everything I'm doing here with my own money. Everything's all by myself to try to help you guys out, have an idea of what you're getting yourself into, what you're going to be buying, if it's worth the money that they're being sold for, if it's not worth the money they're being sold for. I mean, I'm not going to lie about something. If you know, like the terminals on this, I think they're too small for 500 watts. I would probably, on 500 watts, I mean, for 400 watts, yeah, run 8 gauge wire. But for 500 watts, I think, 4-gauge wire is sufficient for 500 watts. And that's what I'm going to be running in this I'm going to be running it at 500 watts. So I think you should have 4-gauge terminals. Those are barely 8-gauge terminals on this thing. So, overall the design, impressed. It is a little bulky, a lot bulkier than I thought it was. But as long as it puts out the power, that's all I really care about. I want to see it put out the power. Lengthwise and widthwise, it's pretty small compared to other amplifiers like the Scar LP751. It was really skinny, but it was rather long. That amplifier was like from here to here. It's pretty large. And power-wise, it was running the same as this, except for at 1 ohm it did 750 watts. So guys, that'll be the next video that I do. Will be this one in the car. Come visit us on Facebook, Bassheads, one word, of Massachusetts. All you got to do is ask to join, and I'm the moderator, I'm the admin, so I'll let everybody's welcome to join. Anybody is welcome in the room. I just want it to be a room where we talk about car audio, and if anybody needs help or any hints or anything. I've seen other rooms on there, and a lot of them, they got a lot of rude people, and I don't want a room with rude people. I want a room that's going to help people. That's what I'm making these videos for, is to help people. So that's pretty much what I want out of the room also, to help people. Give comments, advice, whatever the case. Make sure you check out our other videos. I know a lot of people leave a comment on, I have some speakers that I posted a year ago, and they're like, oh, well, I run these too, and you should try this. I already did. Please check out my other videos. Between running a sealed or a ported box, I have them both, so I run them both. I try out a speaker in both boxes to see what it does, what it's like, what it sounds like in the car. I have a dB meter now, so I test the dB meter of what that sub is putting out on what amplifier. And I'm trying to do things a little bit different than other people are doing it. So guys, like I said, make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any future videos. To our current subscribers, as always, thank you for your support, for your continued support. You've been here since the beginning, and you're still with us. We haven't lost any subscribers at all. You're still hanging tough with us. My end goal here, guys, we need to get subscribers, but I want to do giveaways. So this might actually be a giveaway item one day. Do you want to win an amplifier? Do you want to win a subwoofer for free? Like and subscribe to our channel. Like and subscribe our videos. That's my plan. That's what I want to do. And we'll see you next time, guys. All right? Thanks for watching. And we'll see you next time.